He has so many different names. The Incredible Hulk, Bruce Banner, Dr. Banner, Hulk. But what about Lego Hulk? Can't forget about him. In today's video, that's going to be the focus, is how do we draw Lego Hulk? Let's jump right in. Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. In today's video, we're going to draw Lego Hulk. So let's get started right away. First, we're going to begin with his face. We're going to make one gigantic U. Perfect, just like that. Then his hair. We're going to start with a little curl down and around. Then we're going to keep doing that. We're going to go down and up, down and up, down a little bit further and up a little bit higher, and down, 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 little curl, come all the way around, and connect. Awesome, looks good, guys. Okay, next we're going to do his mouth. We're going to start with his lips. We're going to do up, down, kind of like a wave. Up, awesome. Now we're going to do his curve down, and then we're going to mirror this top. Awesome, looks really good. Okay, let's add some cheekbones. Come in, then go out, come in, then go out. Awesome. Now let's do his eyes real quick. Now we're going to do a half a circle. And we want to leave a huge circle white because with Sharpie, it's going to slowly seep in. Then we want to add eyebrows. So for eyebrows, we're just going to come around and then go zigzag and zigzag and around. Same thing over here. Come around. Well, his hair is mostly blocking it, so we're not going to worry about it too much. And then we're going to add a chin that just mimics his mouth. Awesome. Looks good. Looks good. Looks so awesome. Okay. Now let's add some muscles. We're going to start with his back. Do a gigantic muscle and then a shoulder. And then same thing on the other side. All right, looking good. On this side, we're going to have his hand be kind of like up in the air, like he's doing a fist. And this one, his hand's going to come down and also be in a fist. So there we go. We got his arm. And now we want it to come all the way up to his hand. We're going to stop right about there and curve around. And then connect this muscle to it. Awesome. Then we're going to curve. And then come out, up, at an angle. Then we're going to add one finger. Then we're going to add another finger. And you'll see how this all works out as we keep working through this. We're going to come around and in, and then connect. Okay, I know it looks kind of weird, but trust me, this is going to look really good in the end. Let's make this more into a finger. Make this one more into a finger. This one, let's just go right below it and add a finger. So we got 1, 2, 3. Here's his thumb. 4. One more. We're going to come and follow this line around. And stop. And then connect up to the thumb. Okay, awesome. And then what we'll do later on is we're going to shade this in to make it look even better. And then for Lego, usually they have these random indents. So we're going to do a straight line. Come up. Do kind of a pentagon shape. Awesome. And we'll add more details and color this in as well. All right. Now let's work a little bit on his other arm. Okay, so that's his arm. We just did a nice big circle, circle, circle. And then we're going to work on his hand. So we're going to start, let's start with his thumb. So we're going to start here about in the middle. We're going to curve around and then kind of make an angular thumb. And curl around. And let's do a finger. We'll just stop there. Then we'll make one that's a little bit longer. One a little bit shorter. And the pinky is the shortest of all. Come around. Angle up. Awesome. And connect back up to the top. Perfect. And let's connect the muscles. Bam. Bam. And we'll add some more details along the way as we go. So, then what we want to do is work on his neck a little bit. We want to do a straight line here, just like a quarter of an inch in. Straight line here. And then what we want to do is come at an angle down, and connect the two. Angle down. Angle. I guess I went up, but come down. And then we want to work on his chest. So we're going to do a straight line down. Curve slightly down. Curve slightly down. And then we're going to go over. And curve up. And here we're going to add the outside of his chest. Awesome. Yep, just like that. Connect. And then we'll come down this way for his 6-pack. Come down. Come down. Little curve for a pack. Curve for a pack. Curve for a pack. Awesome. That's looking so good. Good job, guys. Let's bring this line a little bit further. Line a little further. Then connect. 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 We'll go down, across, and over for his legs. Big and around. Big and around. Awesome. That's looking so good, guys. So good. All right. Then we just want to add some details to his neck. So let's just add like a muscle right here. Make it look like he's really mad, really flexing. One on the other side to match. Add a muscle coming down from his neck. Because he just has muscles everywhere. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're just going to color him in. I'm going to darken this area, do his hair a little bit. Oh, and let's get the mouth real quick. That's an important part. We're going to do 2 lines. We're going to go in and then out. And color in. In and then out. And color in. And then do 1 line straight across. Then line down. Line down. Perfect. Looks just like the Hulk. All right. And then we're going to let's add 1 Lego piece over here. A little indent. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to color in his eyebrows, his hair, this part of the Lego, this part over here, this part over here, this part of his hand. And then we're going to do colors, and then bam! And there we have it. There's Hulk, all colored in. We just colored green, got his face green, darkened his hair, added some shadows, purpled his pants, and there we go. Thanks guys for watching, and please subscribe and like for more great content to see more videos of how to draw superheroes and princesses and all sorts of other topics. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.